Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Deepak SD Nova Hub. In this video, you will learn the complete SAP SD OTC process with a real-time example. What is OTC? OTC means order to cash process. It starts from the customer inquiry and ends with the customer payment. It is important business process in SAP SD. Let us give a real-time business example. If the company name is ABC and customer orders the 10 laptops. Then sales team creates the sales order, warehouse delivers the goods, finance team creates the invoice and customer makes the payment. This is a real-time example in short words. In SAP, starting with an inquiry and ends with the payment, this is an OTC. So let's see in detail. Inquiry where the customer asks about the product price. Quotation where the sales team create the quotation for the certain product with a certain price and its validity. The transaction codes for generation of the inquiry is VA11 and for quotation is VA21. After confirming the order from the customer, sales order is created by the sales team by using the T code VA01. The important data while filling the sales order are customer, material, quantity and price. When the sales order is created, system checks the pricing and the stock availability. If the stock is available, then continue delivery is done. If it is not there, then production is required. After creation of the sales order, for creation of the delivery, the T code is used is VL01N, where the warehouse creates the delivery, picking and packing is completed in the delivery. Post good issue. In the post good issue, goods or the product or the material leaves the warehouse where the stock get reduced and accounting entry is generated where the SDMM integration take place. After delivery, the billing is generated or invoice is generated for the customer and posted to the FI department where the customer account is debited where the revenue account is credited. In this situation, the SD FI integration takes place and invoice is generated by the T code VF01. Next step about the payment. Customer pays the invoice, finance clears the payment and thus the OTC cycle gets completed. Here you can see the summary of OTC flow starting with enquiry and quotation, sales order, delivery, PGI, billing and the payment. Let us understand the SAP SD OTC process with a simple Amazon or Flipkart real-time example. Customer searches for the mobile phone, checking the price, features and the delivery date. This is called as the enquiry about the product. Then Amazon shows the amount, discount amount and the delivery charges. This stage is called as the quotation. Then customer clicks on the buy now option where the SAP creates the sales order. Warehouse checks the stock's availability and if the stock is available then the process moves ahead. Billing, delivery, PGI, billing and the payment where the warehouse packs and ships the product to the customer place. During PGI the stock get reduced and invoice get generated. After invoice generated, customer pays the amount by using the UPI or card or the cash on delivery. Here the complete OTC process get completed. Here you can see the complete process starting with enquiry, quotation, sales order, availability check, delivery, PGI, billing, payment. So from ordering a product on the Amazon until the payment completion, the entire business flow is called a SAP SD OTC or order to cash process. Interview tips for the fresher. Here in this way you got understand the complete OTC flow. Learn about the important T codes in the OTC cycle. And also I had given you the real time business scenarios and also got a knowledge about the SAP SD integration. To conclude this video, I can say that you have learned the SAP SD OTC process with a real-time example. If you found this SAP SD tutorial useful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more real-time SAP SD training videos. Thank you for watching.